Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your outfit with an AI feature on Canva in a few clicks. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you keep getting updates of the content we share. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. You are highly welcome. In this video, you will learn how to change your outfits with Canva AI feature, which is Magic Edit. So let's head over to Canva and start designing. Right here, I have my size already on 180 by 180. So I will go over to upload and upload my picture. Tap on the plus sign, go to upload, tap on upload, then tap on upload files, go on your device, tap on device, tap on photo library, then it will take you to your photos. Then you select any of the photos you want to upload. Let me take this. Okay, then you tap on add. So I'll have to select it, click on it, and right here is my photo. So I'm going to change my outfit. Tap on effects, right? I'll tap on Magic Edit. Then right on Magic Edit, I will have to brush over the image where I want to replace my outfit. Okay, so I will zoom this, brush over this, right? That's the way I'm doing. Increase the brush size or reduce the brush size right here. So from here, you will type in what you want Magic Edit to generate for you. You describe your outfit you want to create, your new outfit you want to create. You type it, then tap on generate right there. You tap on generate, it will generate varieties of outfits, even the ones that are looking funny, but you keep on generating until you get what you are looking for. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post a new video. This is the only way you can appreciate me. Please encourage me by liking the video, commenting on the comment section, and subscribe. Thank you. Back to our editing. I have generated a trouser with the same procedure, so try this out. Tag me wherever you post it and give me a thumbs up. Let me see what your design looks like. Did you get value? Did you like what you watched? Do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye.